This illustration analyzes another system of spring balances. Here we are required to find the reading of both the spring balances shown in figure. Here the 40 kg mass will move down and 20 kg will move toward left. Here first we'll analyze the system forces like you can see in this figure. If we consider all strings and pulley are ideal, so in this situation if tension in this string is taken T, as the spring balance is ideal on both sides of balance, the tension will be same. Here tension will be 2T. So in this situation if this 40 kg is going down with acceleration A, by simple observation we can see that 20 kg will move toward left with acceleration 2A. And in this situation there is only one normal reaction acting on the block and a tension is acting on it. So if we draw the free body diagram of blocks, here you can see for 40 kg block it is experiencing its weight 40 g in downward direction and a tension 2T upward, and we consider it going down with acceleration A. Similarly for 20 kg block, downward it is 20 g, upward it is N, and leftward a tension T is acting and it will move toward left with acceleration 2A. So here if we write the equation of motion for these blocks, then we can see this will be 40 g is 400 minus 2T is equals to 40A, and for this block of 20 kg mass we write T is equals to 20 multiplied by 2A, that will also be 40A. So if these are equations 1 and 2, so here to calculate the value of tension, here we can divide these equations and get the value of T. So if we write 1 by 2, then this will result 400 minus 2T by T is equals to 1. So this will give us 400 minus 2T is equals to T, or this will result 3T is 400, or we can write the value of T as 400 by 3 Newton. So in this situation, as we have got the value of tension on a string, we can directly get the readings. So if we see the reading of SP1, then for SP1 here the tension will be 2T. So this will be 2T by G as a spring balance reads the tension value in kilogram weight. So here this will be twice of 400 by 3 is 800 by 3 divided by G. So its reading will be 80 by 3 kilograms. And if we write the reading of SP2, here the tension in a string attached to SP2 is T. So its reading will be T by G, and that will be 400 by 3 upon G, and this equals to 40 by 3 kilogram. So these are the final results of this problem.